I know right now it feels like the weight of life is too heavy, like you're walking through a valley with no way out. But you are not alone. There is a shepherd who walks beside you, guiding, protecting, and restoring you. When your heart is weary, he gives you rest. When your mind is overwhelmed, he leads you to peace. Even in the darkest valley, you don't have to be afraid, because his presence is with you, holding you steady. You may feel empty now, but he promises that your cup will overflow with his goodness and mercy. And this hope isn't just for today's, for all the days of your life. You are not forgotten. You are loved. And you will make it through this valley with him by your side. Psalms 23 says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever."